Man, it's now.
I gotta get it, nigga.
Like right now.
Yeah.
Right now, nigga.
They told me it was now or never. So this how we gon' do it. Pull off in that new whip. I pull off in that new whip. Yeah, I'm off in that new whip. Gone somewhere out of town and I'm taking my old bitch.
My old bitch do right, and my new bitch don't. So I gotta do right if my new bitch don't. That's why I got a new one. That's why I cruise when I do one. And hell nah, nigga, you don't want me to lose one. And I never lose birds, shipping them in and out of state. And if you found somewhere around me, nigga, you out of place. That's a detention slip, the teacher didn't mention this. Now I'm on my trap guy shit. Nigga, don't speed up, slow down, cause I'm busting my rounds. And I ain't talking shit because I ain't got time to laugh at clowns. That's why I never go to a circus. You niggas not on my surface. And if you niggas talking shit, I'm sending bullets to your surface. And I'm surfless, but I hit the ocean and I'm sorry I fit a surface. Niggas talking shit because I go off in the cypher. And hell yeah, nigga gotta be on Cincinnati 3 riot. I ain't no motherfucking liar, I get higher. And it's loud that I'm smoking, it's that cloud pip, loud pip. Niggas talking shit till they get that loud clip, I'm gone, bitch.
Pull off in that new whip. Pull off in that new whip. Yeah, I'm off in that new whip. Gone somewhere out of town and I'm taking my old bitch.
So much for being optimistic. A lot of niggas dying around me, that's a lot to live with. Ain't a soul following the 10 Commandments, Moses. Think so, better wake up, smell the amber roses. Nothing changed, nigga, but my mood might. We got them hams, hope you ready for a food fight. Shots ringing by the head, that's a close call. Plastic surgeon, come get a snub nose job. I'm on my bullshit, Derrick Rose talk. Give or take a couple inches, but it's pro ball. Celebrity status, anonymous goons, hotel action, just not enough rooms. You ain't live till you live for the moment. Bad bitch with long hair, man, I don't care how she comb it. Just wrap that shit around my hand when I'm getting mouth. Cornbread fed, but I'm her man when I'm in the South. Yeah, I want it, you need it, never went to college. I'm in that Cincinnati state of mind, you see it. Something smell fishy, must be tilapia. Paper maker comes, so I fuck her on the copy. Yeah.